Winterizing your sprinkler system is an important step everyone should have done. This ensures that your sprinkler system is going to be safe to use next year. All you need to do, if you've got an in-ground DIY system like I do, is get one of these connectors so you can connect the end of your air compressor to. This is a 1/2 inch connector. It's going to go into 1/2 inch male to 3/4 inch female connector. And then I'm going to connect a 3/4 inch male to male connector. This is so I can connect my connector here into my hose pipes as I run a DIY in-ground system. If you want to see a video on that, I'll leave it linked in the description below. Now what's left to do is connect this up to my 4-way splitter, and then I can connect my compressor up to this. If you're running a different system, you may have a different connector, so just be sure to check to see what you actually need. Make sure your compressor is set to a lower pressure than the sprinklers can maintain. Normally 40 psi is about right. Now you just need to turn them on and watch the water be blown out of the sprinklers. I like to do this a minute per sprinkler head. See me here going on to another sprinkler here. It's further down my yard and it had a lot of water in the pipe, so I left it on a little bit longer than a minute. I'll come back and do this a second time just to make sure that I've got all the water out. You don't want it to freeze in the lines or freeze in the head of the sprinkler, as you'll just have a damaged head come springtime. I also find it quite interesting to watch them spin around like this. You can also use this system to do above ground sprinklers, as I have both systems on my lawn. And because it connects up to a hose end like this, it's really easy to do, and you can make sure to get all the water out of this hose and this sprinkler. I use this connector to blow out my hose pipes as well, but just make sure to hold the hose pipe end. As you'll see here, if you don't, the hose pipe will flick around as you turn the pressure on. So just make sure to take some safety precautions there, and then you've got all your hose pipes and sprinklers ready for winter. If you want to see another video on lawn care, check out this video here, and make sure you subscribe so you can follow along for more content coming up.